Did you know that you have the ability to make this year and any year the best year possible? You do that by focusing on what you love. I did a video last year which really helps you to do this. And I want you to go back and watch this video. So I will link it at the end of this video, and I will also link it below, all right? This video, this ritual helps you to begin to let go of all the things that are holding you back, the things that are preventing you from becoming the best you and are preventing you from creating the best life possible, okay? And so I want you to not only watch this video, but I want you to do the ritual, all right? I want you to go through the process with meaning. I want you to mean everything that you do in this video, okay? And I want you to begin to see the results of this, because the results of doing this ritual are going to change your life, all right? And that's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about making this year, 2023, or like I said, whatever year that you're watching this video, the best year possible, because it's going to connect you with your truest self. It's going to connect you with not only your truest self, but also your best possible life. It's going to connect you with your greatest desires, your soul felt desires, the things that mean the most to you, and help you to create a life out of that, to create a life where you wake up every day loving what you do, where you're excited to wake up and you're excited to start your day. I mean, can you imagine a life where you're waking up every day and you're excited to start your day and you're excited to do the things that you're going to do because you love those things and you're living your truest self and your truest life? I mean, can you imagine a life like that? Well, this ritual can help you to do that, okay? And getting that focus, getting that clarity also helps the universe to co-manifest with you, because the universe can't help you to create those things unless you have clarity, okay? And this video and this ritual will help you to create that clarity, to create the life that you're wanting to create. Okay, so going through that process, watching that video, doing the steps, doing the ritual, making the change is creating that clarity, okay? The clarity of the desire, the clarity of the feeling and the emotion with that desire, right? Is creating like an energetic link, an energetic pull that the universe feels and begins to co-create with you that picture of the thing that you want, that life that you want, those deepest soul-felt desires. Now, I'm not talking about the general mundane things that you want, okay? I'm talking about that desire that you feel inside of you that is so strong that your soul is saying, I must do this before I die, kind of desire. The things that mean so much to you that you may or may not even be listening to, but those things that you feel deep within you that you would regret if you didn't do in this life, okay? And these are the types of things that you can create a life out of, right? That maybe you're afraid of, which we all kind of are, right? We're all kind of like afraid of the idea, can I possibly create a life out of this and make enough money that I can support myself doing the things that I love, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can. Okay, the universe is not a cruel universe. The universe does not put those desires deep within us, and then it's not going to be like, well, yeah, you're not meant to fulfill those desires, because you are. You're meant to fulfill those desires, and you're meant to be supported in that. You're meant to have a life doing the things that you love and being supported doing the things that you love, but you have to work through those fears too. You have to work through those fears of thinking that you're not worthy of that, that you don't have the possibility of doing that, you don't have enough worth or value of doing that, and you have all those things. You have that capability, okay? So do that. It's time to create the life that you desire, the life of your dreams. And you can do that this year. You can have this year become the beginning of the life of your dreams. I mean, can you imagine that? Like I said, can you imagine living the life of your dreams, living the life where you wake up every day loving your life? And being excited about your life and having every day feel so good. Now, I'm not saying you won't have the occasional lousy day. We all do, right? But by and large, having every day being a wonderful, fulfilling day because you're living the life that you love, doing the things that you love, and living your truth of who you are. So let this be the beginning of that. All right. Let's make those changes now. Let's make sorry. Let's make 2023 be the best year of your life and the beginning of this amazing entry into your amazing life, the life that you love, the life that you were destined to live, doing everything that you love and being your truest self. Are you ready? Are you ready for that? Well, I hope so. So watch this video here and it's going to help you to do that. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you have an amazing year. All right. Thank you.